that it's never gonna happen, man. Yeah, right.
First one.
Spielberg. Give a hand.
Първия. Трябва да тръгвам. Добре дошли, тъй като малко се забавихте, мъжа ми ще ме уби. Сега, какво правим? Тръгваме, ето ние на главната сестрата, я поверявах на вас. Първо да ви благодаря много. Сега представете си и вие все пак, да съм по-наясно.
Ако искаш да представи ти като президент на клуба. Нашия дядо Коледа харесва ли ти? Прилича ли на този на книжката? Видя ли? Като от книжка си изкара.
You should carry that with something like this.
И още?
Защо обичаш ли? Виж, сега ще дадем като нашия дядо Коледа. Да се сеща за нашия дядо Коледа да дадем. Нещо да мен две купечки. Искам да видя Антейка фотоапа.
Чувах така си. И така ще донесу подарък си. Нали същата дата? И аз така мисля.
И още.
И може да харесва и да рисува след това.
Рисуваш?
Виж, на всички им раздаваме твоите селфи. Коледа.
Да. Хайде, също няма да трябва.
А нашия дядо Коледа най-много, нали? Той е с най-докоренче.
Еми, какво да правя? Много ми харесва да ям. Искаш ли да снимка? Що ме харесваш? Come on, it's rap time. Здрасти. Знаеш ли кой сме аз? Кой сме аз? Я да поведа. А ти кой си? Панка. Панка. Я Панка. А искаш ли я да поведа? Искаш ли да рисуваш? Също радици? Какво имам за теб? Искаш ли да рисуваш?
We told him go into this project.
Снимки искаш?
Как се казваш? Как се казваш? Кажи му здрасти.
Дядо Коледа. Той е пък с ангелско име, значи все такива си хора стигаха брати.
Да, точно се. Що с Михаил и Светанка? Трябваше.
Yes, our president, Rotaract International Sofia. And what do you think about our project and what's your opinion about
Actually,
this?
right now I'm very happy because I'm so glad to see you, all of them, loaded here. So it was really nice project. We will continue much more better, step by step. We are growth, we will be better. We should be. So for Bulgaria, for Sofia, maybe not so one country, for all of Bulgaria, for all of world. Just we should a little bit motivated, a little bit successful, and everything will be okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry. So Rotaract is here.
Thanks for all. Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye bye.
We are waiting for your speech. You put a very good job.
Yeah, and what do you think?
Christmas poem would be nice.
Yeah. what are you thinking about this project? That's
That's
something to Cameron.
It was a really great project. The kids were really happy, and I'm glad that I had my chance to come all the way from my North Pole to here. I left my elves. I'm sorry for them. They're missing me, so I need to go soon back to my factory, to my workshop. There is a lot of kids who need their gifts, so I'm passionately gonna deliver them to those kids who are in need.
How it feels to be a Djadu Koleda?
It feels amazing, yeah, to get the kids smiling and going crazy about you, but sometimes some kids are... Oh,
Are you going to be a Djadu Koleda next year too?
I'm planning as a job, yeah.
It's a good.
Jobs BG.
Tradition.
I guess it's became my job description.
I think now you deserve some salary, a good coffee. Nothing more.
Definitely.
Next year,
No, I need some milk and biscuits, cookies. That's what I need. Come on.
Yeah, next year Baba Koleda will come too.
So Melek, say something about that.
In fact, you missed my speech about the things that I have to tell you. Now, seriously, thank you again, guys. It was nice to work with you, and I hope that our friendship at first place and our workship at another place will go on. Thank you.
Thank you. Alp.
And it was amazing project again, and we have done one of our good project, and we saw all smilings of the children, and it was the earnment of that project. We were good, and again we will be continuing.
Thank
By the way, just pay attention to his SpongeBob.
Yeah.
you. Let's punch.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely as the Virgin.
Thomasis.
Yeah?
Yeah, say something about.
Yeah, we
your
were
work.
also happy to participate on this project on German. Vielen Dank.
And there's no better thing than giving like kids, innocent kids, a glimpse of happiness. So yeah, it's great, really. See just kids smiling, like from the heart, because they don't. It's not intentional. They feel like it. They are like always spontaneous. So
And-
that's a great thing.
And it was also for us a pretty intensive experience to see such. For me, it was the first time to see such sick children, and yeah, it was a tough feeling.
Yeah,
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanos.
Thanos is going to make the speech in Bulgarian,
Okay.
so if someone watches in
To
Bulgarian,
translate,
so to
guys.
understand.
Okay.
Беше много хубаво, правихме това нещо и в София, и в Пловдив и се чувстваме много доволни, че успяхме да рисуваме една усмивка на лицето на тези деца. И благодарим много за Rotaract и всички тези, които са помогнали да реализираме това нещо за децата.
Merci.
And something in addition in English too. When I saw this girl called Verka, which means, you know, hope, I understood that children who are oncologically ill, they're the strongest children because they have to survive although the worst thing that happened to them. So I think that today, not we, but they are the heroes.